The reason I'm doing this video is because this is the last time you guys are gonna hear this car on headers, X-pipe, and tune only. When that car's all done, the car should be making around 800 to 850.
Yo sé. ¿Qué pasó?
Gracias.
Que le vaya muy bien.
What the fuck? Alright, what's good, you guys? For today's video, we're doing a midnight late night drive. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2015 C0706. It is a M7, so it is a 7-speed manual. I have the 360 camera set up, and I learned how to do horizontal, so you guys are going to be getting that POV now and the inside POV. I'm parked up right now. It's about midnight, about 1 a.m. The streets are pretty empty right now. The reason I'm doing this video is because this is the last time you guys are going to hear this car on headers, X-pipe, and tune only. After this, we are going to be tearing into the car, making it sound completely different. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I'm going to be posting updates on tearing it apart, and I am going to be documenting the whole process, so don't worry about that. I don't want to speak too much on the part. I'm going to be posting on there first when the part does come in. You don't want to miss this. I'm telling you, the car is going to be a completely different car after this. Do you guys have any guesses in the comments? Leave what you think that I got in the comments. I've talked about it in one of my videos, but leave in the comments what you think it is. But yeah, I'm not going to be doing too much talking besides the beginning part, just because I never do POV drives and talking. It's usually always just the camera facing me and stuff like that. Just wanted to update you guys. I have a lot to update you guys on. I'm going to be talking about that while I'm driving, and then it's going to be swapping from me driving to the 360 camera horizontal. So I think it should be a pretty cool video. Yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll talk to you guys more right now. Alright, so I got to update you guys on a lot of things. First and foremost, we will not be attending Vegas anymore, just because what happened to James in the last video. If you guys watched, if you guys didn't watch that video, you guys got to go watch that video. But basically, we're not going to Vegas anymore. We were planning to go into LS Fest, but we are not anymore. Kind of ruined the whole thing for us. We were gonna get an Airbnb with my friends, take the cars there. We were gonna drive the cars, but the good thing about that is James is gonna be building his car, and so am I. So we're gonna have crazy content for you guys. We're going to be documenting the whole process. James is probably going to be starting his YouTube channel and be doing that, and obviously I'll be doing my car on my channel. So I don't think you guys are ready for what I have planned for this car. It is going to be a whole different car after this. I ended up selling my Quartz ice tank for this. I'm really excited for it, and the car is probably going to be down for a couple weeks, so that's the only bad part, but I am going to be documenting that. I'm not gonna have too many ride-along videos or car content driving wise because my Subaru's down, and I'm gonna get into that right now. I'll put a picture up right now of the progress. So basically, he said he has a little bit more stuff to do, and then the engine is ready for drop-in. Yep, after like 15 to 16 months. I know, guys. Y'all always ask where the Subaru's at. I really don't have updates. I already paid the guy, so there's really no point in me taking my car out. I just want him to do it correctly and make sure my car runs correctly. When that car's all done, the car should be making around 800 to 850. Probably cap it out right there. I don't want to be pushing too much, just because I really don't want to deal with the process again of building it. I have a lot planned for the channel, and I have my cars getting ready, getting built. The content should be crazy, guys. I'm telling you guys, 2026 was my year, and I wasn't lying. Hold on, I can't really fucking see right here, bro. There we go. Yeah, I wasn't lying. I told you guys the content was gonna be crazy. I told you I was gonna take over, and there's a cop right there. Holy shit. Oh, also, you guys keep asking for Brianna back. I'm sorry to say she is not going to be back on the channel. She got traded to another team.
We're just receiving word of a massive trade in the NBA. The Lakers have traded Anthony Davis to the Dallas Mavericks in exchange for Luka Doncic.
What?
I had to trade for a first-round pick. You guys know how it goes, trading. She was cool. She put up a good amount of points on my channel, but I needed a new prospect. You know how it goes. I had to go get her first-round pick. I know you guys are probably gonna be sad about that, but no hard feelings between me and her, but she was a good valuable asset on the team for a little bit. Yeah, sorry. Please stop commenting and asking for her. Well, I'll get some new prospects. You guys know me. Yeah, the car is really fucking dark at night. I don't even know if you guys could tell like how dark it is, but I have to have this on because it won't look good. I'm gonna be sad that the car's down, but I'm very excited for what I'm gonna put on the car. It's pretty cold right now too, so boost weather, the car should be running pretty good. My temps are a little low. Bro, there's so many cops in this area, so I gotta be careful in Mexico, you know what I mean? There's a lot of Mexican cops. Probably should have went the other way, to be honest. This rev match, bro, is so good. I really have no idea where I'm going right now. I'm just driving. Fuck, that was retarded. Yeah, let's go right. I'm getting out of this fucking city after that. Motherfucker, come on. Let me put my valves on. Oh my god, oh my god. Bro. Please, 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 please. I don't know where the fuck I'm at. Oh my god, where is this shit? Vehicle. Alright, bro, we're fucked. We're fucked. I don't know how to turn my valves on. Is this shit stupid? Okay, now I'm actually like, where the fuck are my valves? Alright, they're not behind me, but yeah, we're turning around. We're going back the other way. I knew I shouldn't have fucking came this way. Okay, okay, they're right there, bro. Oh my god, bro, where the fuck are my valves? Where the fuck are my valves? I'm getting the fuck out of this city, bro. Dude, where the fuck are my valves? That's the only bad thing driving at night, bro. There's like, oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. There's a fucking police station right here. Alright, bro, where are my valves? Like, dead ass, bro. Dude. They're usually right here. I have a big ass fucking 360 camera in the back and shit. I think we're away from the cops. I'm not too sure though. I'm not gonna jinx myself. Fucking knock on wood type shit. I hope y'all fucking enjoy me freaking out trying to get back to where I was, cause I was just driving and I run into a fucking police station and someone getting pulled over right there. Alright, bro, so basically my fucking GoPro died and I was trying to get away from those cops. So let's turn this on and I'll start the POV or the Insta360, bro. I'm pretty sure the cops are still over there, so fuck all that, bro. Oh, and I still can't fucking figure out my valves, dude, so yeah. I hope you guys please like the video, bro, because I'm risking this shit for y'all just to get this video out. Oh my god, bro, there was a cop. Bro, can y'all see those taillights? Bro, that was a cop and he was on my ass. Bro, fuck this, I'm going home. Fuck this. I told y'all, bro, I was risking this shit for y'all. Holy fuck, I was shitting my pants. I can't even turn my fucking valves on. Bro, fuck all this. I think he was just telling me to shut the fuck up. And I was like, oh yup, I'm getting pulled over.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Alright, bro, I fucking made it home. Dude, you want to know what I think happened? My exhaust is rattling really bad right now, so I want to say some shit disconnected on the bottom because I scrape my fucking driveway every time I leave. But bro, holy fuck, scariest fucking thing. This is why I don't take my car out hella late. There's nothing better for cops to do than pull people over because they're bored as fuck. So let's take this off so I stop fucking drawing attention, asking to get pulled over at that point. But yeah, that's basically it for the video. Let me know if you guys like that 360 camera setup. Something new. I've seen comments, you guys asking for the 360. So I was like, fuck it, let me try it. I figured out how to do it. We want to talk about that. Let me look under. Shit, to be honest, I don't really see nothing, but my exhaust clamps were fucking rattling really badly, so that might have something to do with it. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna be diving into the car tomorrow, so we're gonna be taking it apart. I'm super excited. Gonna be vlogging the whole process. You guys gotta stay tuned for what I'm doing. Just know I've been talking about it for a while. We are gonna be doing it in my garage. Should be a lot more content, like doing it myself or having my friends help me, and I'm gonna try to learn what the fuck to do. Because if something ever does go wrong, I wanna know what the fuck's happening. I don't wanna be clueless. There's a lot of shit I need to do. It's gonna be a long process. It might be back up mid-May, something like that. If you guys are new, I wanna thank you guys for 6.2K. Let's hit 10K by the end of summer. So hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 horsepower in this car. The next mod should bump us up a good amount. I'm gonna say that right now. The ride-alongs are gonna be crazier with the girls. Just the content in general is gonna be crazy. I hope you guys are excited as I am. This car is finally gonna get a lot of shit done to it. So yeah, I probably won't be at car meets. You probably won't be seeing like content like that for a little bit. You'll be seeing me build the car more. Comment if you guys want to see detailing or gym videos meanwhile the car is down, or if you guys just want to see updates on the car and no detailing, no gym videos. That's basically it for this video. I love y'all boys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Walk around them bills, walk around them bills, yeah, walk around them bills. Fucking with that weekend cool, hitting on it, and I know I do.